In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ZigZag Indicator in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add it to your chart, where to find its settings, and how to tune the key parameter so it highlights the swings you care about. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Use whatever market and time frame you're already analyzing. The ZigZag adapts to both intraday and higher time frames. At the top of the platform, click Indicators. This opens the Indicators window, where you can quickly search for any tool. In the search bar, type ZigZag. You'll see the ZigZag indicator appear in the results. Click it once to add it to your chart. Right away, you'll notice diagonal lines connecting recent swing highs and lows. That's the ZigZag at work. It doesn't predict price. Instead, it simplifies the path price has already taken by filtering out smaller fluctuations and drawing cleaner, more obvious swings. This makes patterns and structures easier to see. Next, open the indicator settings by clicking the small gear icon next to its name on your chart or in the indicator list. The most important control here is labeled deviation or percentage, depending on the version. This single setting defines the minimum move price must make before the ZigZag will register a new swing point and draw a new leg. In other words, it's the threshold for what counts as a meaningful move. If you set deviation to a higher value, like 5%, you're telling the indicator to ignore smaller moves. Only bigger, more decisive swings will appear, which keeps the chart clean and focuses your attention on major turning points. This is helpful when markets are choppy and you want to emphasize the broader structure. If you set it to a lower value, like 1%, the indicator becomes more sensitive. Many smaller swings will show up, giving you a detailed view of short-term ebbs and flows. This can be useful for fine-tuning levels or studying recent price behavior, but it can also introduce more noise. A practical tip: choose a percentage that matches the typical volatility of the asset and time frame you watch most, and keep it consistent so your eye learns what each swing means. Also remember, the ZigZag can recalculate as new price data comes in. A swing that looks confirmed might shift if price extends further, so treat the lines as a visual aid rather than a signal generator. That's it. Add the ZigZag, open the settings, and adjust the deviation or percentage to control how much movement is needed to form a new swing. With the right setting, your charts become clearer and your analysis more focused.